Okay, so here we're trying to find the area between 1 over x, which is this purple function, and then 1 over x squared, which is the green one, and x equals to 2. So if I shade it in, it would be this area right here that we're looking for. And so the first thing we need to do is find the intersection points. And so to do that, we set the functions equal to each other. And if we solve this, you can multiply both sides by x squared, and you would get that x is equal to 1, which is that point right there. Okay. So that gives us our limits of integration. And so our setup then is going to be we're going to find the integral from 1 to 2. And then the function that's on top is 1 over x. So it's going to be 1 over x, and then minus function that's on bottom, which is the green one, 1 over x squared. And all of this with respect to x. Okay, so now we just need to find this integral. So let's get right to it. So here we have the antiderivative of 1 over x, that's natural log, absolute value of x, minus this one treated as x to the negative 2. The antiderivative of that is minus x to the negative 1. So this is going to be plus x to the negative 1, or 1 over x. And this is going to be evaluated from 1 to 2. Okay, so then this is equal to natural log absolute value of 2 plus 1/2 minus natural log of the absolute value of 1 plus 1 over 1, which is just 1. Okay, so then we have natural log of, I don't really need the absolute value, of 2. This one right here, natural log of 1, that's just 0. And so then I have 1/2 minus 1, so that's minus 1/2. Okay, and this is about 0.19. So either one of these two is correct. Okay, so here I am trying to find the area between 12 minus x squared and x squared minus 6. So I have my two functions here, 12 minus x squared and x squared minus 6. So I've got my picture, and then I'm going to find the intersection points. So I'll set them equal to each other. And I'm going to move the 6 over here. So 18 is equal to 2x squared. Divide by 2, get the square root. I get that x is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, so that's pretty easy. So then my third step is to set up my integral then from negative 3 to 3 of top minus bottom. So my top function is 12 minus x squared. My bottom function is x squared minus 6. So I have 12 minus x squared minus x squared minus 6 with respect to x. So that's my integral. Okay, so then this gives me the integral from negative 3 to 3 of 18 minus 2x squared dx. And this is equal to 18x minus 2/3 x cubed, evaluated from negative 3 to 3. And when I plug all that in, I get 18 times 3 minus, let me just plug that in. So 3 cubed is 27, times 2 is 54 thirds. So that's the first part. And then minus 18 times negative 3 minus negative 3 cubed, that's negative 27. And then times negative 2, I'm just going to do plus 54 thirds. Okay, And so then that equals to the number 72.